In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage templates in Smartsheet. Templates are a great way to save time and keep your work consistent, especially if you find yourself building similar sheets over and over again. Instead of recreating the same layout, columns, and structure each time, you can turn an existing sheet into a reusable template in just a few clicks. Let's walk through exactly how to do that, step by step. First, open Smartsheet and locate the sheet you want to copy. This should be a sheet that already has the structure you like, your columns, any drop-downs, basic formulas, and formatting. It's usually best to clean it up before turning it into a template. For example, remove any personal or one-off data and leave just the structure and example content you want to reuse. Once your sheet is ready, go to the top left corner and click on File. From the drop-down menu, select Save as Template. This tells Smartsheet that you don't want just another copy of the sheet. You want a reusable template that you can base future sheets on. A window will pop up asking you to type a name for your template. Choose something clear and descriptive so you and your team can recognize it later, like Marketing Project Tracker Template or Monthly Task Planner Template. When you're happy with the name, click Save. Smartsheet will now store this as a template in your account. Next, you'll want to know where to find it. To do that, navigate to your Browse tab in Smartsheet. This is where your folders, workspaces, and saved items live. In here, locate the area where templates are stored in your environment. Your newly created template will appear just like other items, but with the template icon so you can easily spot it. When you're ready to use your template to start a new project or sheet, simply click on the template. Smartsheet will give you the option to Use Template. Select that, and it will create a brand new sheet based on the structure of your template without affecting the original template itself. From there, you can rename the new sheet, add real data, adjust dates, and customize it as needed. Your template remains unchanged in the background, ready to be used again whenever you need a fresh copy with the same layout and settings. And that's all there is to it. Open your sheet, save it as a template, find it in Browse, and use it to create consistent, ready-to-go sheets in Smartsheet.